Your drill's motor uses 2 carbon brushes to conduct electricity to the armature. The brushes do this through the commutator. The carbon brush will wear down over time from rubbing against the rotating commutator and will need to be replaced. Warm brushes can cause excessive sparks around the commutator. The sparks can also be caused by a damaged armature, so you'll want to carefully inspect both if sparks are present. Replacing the carbon brushes is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the rear housing from the grinder. The housing is secured with a single screw, and I'll go ahead and remove it. Now I have access to the brushes, and I'll go ahead and remove them. First, I'll remove the brush wire from the holder, and now I can remove the brush. I'll pull the brush tension spring back, and then pull the brush from the holder. Now I can install the new brush. I'll pull the brush tension spring back, and insert the brush into the brush holder. I'll place the tension spring on top of the brush, and reconnect the wire lead. And I'll repeat this on the other side. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the housing. And now you know how to install new brushes in your power tool.